Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I take out the Deschutes 130 kayak. I've done a previous video of the unboxing of this and my initial thoughts, which you can see on the channel. Today I'm back at Marina and I'm going to take it out in the water for the first time. I didn't really fancy using a manual pump to inflate the kayak, so I went for the Airbank Mini Pulse Pro, which is a pump that both pumps and sucks air in and out with a big built-in battery. This was reviewed by More Than Just a Cleaner on YouTube and I was very impressed with his video, so I bought the pump and it's fantastic. So this is the Deschutes 130 and you can see it moves, dovetails, is that the right word? A lot more than my current kayak. But is it stable? It is unbelievably stable. The most stable kayak I've ever been in, because you're kind of cushioned and surrounded by the inflatable sides. I mean, other than I haven't got the skeg in fairness, but it is the most stable kayak. It's really stable. So I am 6 foot and you can see how much legroom I've got, and behind me you can see how much space there is. Ton of storage space. A couple of handles on the side here. Really super impressed, super impressed. As other reviewers have said, you do get quite wet in here. There's nowhere to put a spray deck, obviously. So I think winter's probably not ideal for using it, but so much space and it's lovely to paddle. The seat is super comfortable, super comfortable. And I've got obviously the inflatable part behind me. Very nice, very impressed with this. For under 300 quid, what a bargain. I look forward to taking the kayak out for its first maiden voyage soon. Please do like and subscribe the video and stay tuned for more kayak adventures.